Hello students, myself Ravi Mishra, PGT Biology, introduce the 9th class Biology chapter Improvement in Food Resources. Now, today we discuss the main topic of this chapter, animal husbandry. Animal husbandry means the management of animal for their agriculture and economic purpose is called animal husbandry. The animal husbandry practice of these animals helps to obtain milk, meat, egg, etc. for the people. Based on their derivatives, livestock management is categorized into 4 categories. Now, the first category is cattle farming, second poultry farming, third fish farming, fourth beekeeping. Now, we start from cattle farming. Cattle farming means raised of cattle for milk and drought labor is known as cattle farming. The female breed are raised for milk production and yield ones, while male breeds are raised for field work. The milk producing breed of cow, including females, are called milch animal or milch breed. The example of milch breed is Sahiwal and Gir. And engaged in field work is known as drought labor animals. The drought labor animals example is Nagiri, and those animal which shows both type of functions, means milk producing as well as labor work, that is called general utility animals. Now, the example of milch animal is Sahiwal and Gir. Example of drought animal Nageri, Malvi. Utility animals Ongol and Kankres is the example of milch, drought and utility animals. There are many practices follow for cattle farming are as follows. Now, the first practices is cattle breeding, second cattle keeping, third cattle feeding, fourth cattle health care. Now we explain about cattle breeding. The control reproduction of cattle to obtain animal having desired characteristics trait is known as cattle breeding. Now we discuss about roughest food. This is the less nutritious food containing high fiber and rich source of carbohydrate. It is obtained from fodder, hay, barsim, cowpea, jowar, bajra, etc. Now, in the case of concentrate, these contain carbohydrate, protein, mineral and vitamins. The example of concentrate food is barsim, rice bean, barley, maize, etc. Now, the last point is cattle health care, means aware about the health of animals. Cattle health care means caring of cattle is very important, otherwise milk production reduce. Following symptoms are observed if cattle is suffering from any disease. Now, the first symptom is inactive and tired animals. Second is loss in appetite of animal. Third, reddening of eyes. Fourth, thin and watery stool, change in color of urine. Now next, reduce milk layering capacity. There are following symptoms that denote the disease that are present in cattle. If the animal shows symptom of a disease, the veterinary doctor must consult it. Animals should be regularly vaccinated. The second point is poultry farming. Poultry farming is done for egg and meat. They both provide protein to our diet. The poultry means chicken. It involves rearing of hen, turkey, geese, pigeons and fowl to obtain meat and egg. Poultry farming is growing at a very fast in India. There are major practices followed in poultry farming process. Now the first, provide hygiene and proper sanitation. Next, proper breeding method, rearing of poultry animals, protecting the poultry animals from disease and predators. And last is marketing of poultry products. There are different practices that help in poultry farming. Now, the poultry world are two types. Now, the first is broiler and second is varieties of fishes are present in a single fish pond. They are selected so that do not compete for food. They should have different food requirement. Now, the name of 6 variety of fishes is, now the first is rohu, that present in middle zone. They feed decaying plants. Now second is katla, they present on surface zone and feed only zooplanktons. Now third is mrigal, that present in bottom zone and feed only decaying matter. Next, fourth, serval carp, they present in surface zone and feed only phytoplanktons. Now fifth, grass carp, that present in middle zone. They feed only aquatic plants as well as weeds. Now last is common carp, that present in bottom area, that feed only aquatic living organism. The fourth and last part of the animal husbandry is beekeeping. Beekeeping means practice of keeping and caring and management of honeybees on a large scale for obtaining honey and wax. Many farmers use beekeeping for additional small income source. Also, there are a big firms called apiaries and bee farms. Apiaries, the setting of a number of beehives in desirable location in a systematic manner that allow maximum pollen and nectar collection. That is called apiary. Thus, there are some common Indian varieties that are included in beekeeping process. Now the first, Apis carina indica. The other name of Apis carina indica is Indian bee. Now second variety of Indian variety is Dorsetta, that is common name is rock bee. Third variety of honeybee is floral. The common name of floral is little bee. Means Apis carina indica is called Indian bee, Apis dorsetta called rock bee, and Apis floral bee is called little bee. Next, we discuss about the exotic breed. One main exotic breed of honeybee is Apis, name is queen. Queen is a supreme bee which lay approximately 1500 to 2000 egg in one day. It gives unfertilized egg and worker bees fertilize them and give rise prawns. Second, worker bees. These sterile female and have nursing, fanning, guarding functions, etc. Worker bees are active member of bee colony. Now third, drones. These are male bee and perform various functions. Now the last point of beekeeping topic is pasturage. Pasturage, it is the ability of flowers to the bee for nectar and pollen collection. It affects the quality and quantity of honey because different flora produce nectar and pollen of different types. If we take an example, almond honey of Kashmir is very tasty. Now, the first chapter of improvement in food resources are completed. Okay, thanks.